If DoorDash isn't letting you schedule orders, especially with early access or specific time slots, it's likely due to a few common reasons. First, high demand in your area can limit slot availability. DoorDash's AI dynamically allocates slots, and peak times often fill up quickly. Another reason could be account verification issues. Early access often requires a verified account. App glitches or outdated software can also cause scheduling failures. Sometimes it's a temporary server overload on DoorDash's end. Demand forecasting and accurate location data are critical to scheduling, so any disruption with this may cause denials. Keep in mind slot availabilities and scheduling can also vary widely between locations, depending on demand. To fix these issues, start by refreshing the app and checking your internet connection. You can also try clearing the app cache. To increase your chances of securing a DoorDash slot, especially for early access, ensure you're using the latest version of the app and have a stable internet connection. Also, you must have a verified account with accurate payment details. If you are still unable to schedule it, may be due to the location you are in having low demand for deliveries, and you may need to deliver in a different location for those time slots. Also, check the app settings and make sure you have given the app all relevant permissions to your location. Stay proactive with DoorDash updates to benefit from AI-driven improvements. Try scheduling during non-peak hours or using a VPN. If issues persist, contact DoorDash support. As the food delivery sector evolves, anticipate personalized and automated scheduling. But remember, user-side troubleshooting remains crucial.